So thank you so much for clicking this video once again. And today I have brought something which is really very special for all of you, because most of you were asking me that, ma'am, please tell us about your journey. How did you learn English language? We want to know about your journey as you have learned it in easy way. So we all want to learn English language in easy way, same like you. So today I have brought my strategies, whatever I have followed for improving my English language. So be ready for knowing that things. But first of all, I want to ask you one question. Do you want to learn English language? Do you want to improve your English? If you want, so this video is for you. So please keep watching this video and keep listening my words, whatever I'm gonna deliver, whatever I'm gonna speak. And guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So if I talk about my journey, so I started learning English language before 2 years. Yes, guys, I have been learning English language for 2 years. It has completed 2 years. Yes, when I started, so that time I had no plan, just like you. I had no plan to learn this language. Even I was not knowing that I am learning English language. Whenever I used to watch any video, that time I was thinking that I will use this sentence in with my friends. I will use this sentence family members, and I show off my ability. I was thinking about it. I was not aware that learning any language can improve our personality. I was not thinking about it. So I started learning English language, and before that I was not thinking that I have to learn English language. Okay, so when I started that time, I think in 2023. Yes, in 2023, I started my journey. And guys, firstly, I had no idea about how to learn English language. Firstly, I would like to talk about it, because whenever I used to watch videos, I had keypad mobile, Geo keypad mobile, and in that mobile, whenever I was doing anything, just by doing that work, I was watching subtitle videos. There was a channel, name of that channel is English with Trivesh. I used to watch their videos with, they were uploading videos with English subtitle. So I used to watch their videos a lot whenever I used to do anything, by while cooking food, while eating food, while combing my hair, while dressing up myself, whatever I was doing. Just by doing that work, I was watching that video, I was listening. I focused on listening first. Yes, I focused on listening first, because I wanted to know the English words. That time I was not able to pronounce any words. I was not even that time I was saying that स्मार्ट वॉच जो आती है ना, उसको मैं स्मार्ट वॉच बोलती थी, स्मार्ट वॉच. आई वॉज अनएबल टू प्रोनाउंस इट स्मार्ट वॉच. आई वॉज नॉट एबल, because of not having any knowledge, because of not having any phonetic knowledge. I was not able to pronounce even an English word in English language. इंग्लिश में जो ये इंग्लिश वर्ड है, उसको इंग्लिश ना बोल के इंग्लिश इंग्लिश बोली जाती थी. How weak I was that time. So you can imagine that how weak I was in that time. I was not able to read any book, but I was able to understand some points, because I used to watch serials a lot. I used to watch movies a lot. So in that movies, people used to, and people use English words while talking with each other. So I was able to understand that they are using this word English words in this situation. So I can also use. I was capturing. I was noticing their words while watching movies. Okay, so it helped me a lot to learn this language. And first of all, I focused on listening, as I had told you that when I started. So that time I used to watch videos, and I used to focus on listening first, so that I could capture that word, I could recognize word sound. I was focusing on listening. After that, I started knowing about grammar. I started knowing about grammar, and just for making sentences, just for starting speaking in English language, I thought that I must have knowledge about grammar, and I started knowing about grammar. And in this way, I started my journey. It was not very easy journey for me, because I know how much efforts I have put it on this journey. It was not very easy task for me to learn this language, being a village girl. I live in village area even in my village, even at my home, there is no such kind of environment where I could do my English speaking practice. Even right now I'm doing my speaking practice and I'm creating this video. So I was feeling hesitating to make this video in front of my family members. Before before I think 4 5 months ago, I was not that this much capable to make any video, to shoot any video in front of those people. But right now I have ability, I know that I can do. I don't have hesitation for showing my abilities for speaking in English language. I can speak anywhere. So this is my achieved things. I have achieved these things. And from these things I just want to say that if you want to learn English language, so start learning English language. But first of all, one thing that I want to say you, that if you are in beginning level, so do not focus on watching videos. I used to watch videos a lot, and by watching videos, I was listening English words, but I made one mistake, and that is only I was doing watching practice and listening practice. I was doing always, and that's why I took too much time to learn this language, because I was not focusing on speaking, on writing. I was not doing. So I will suggest you that if you want to learn English language, so you will have to focus on listening first. After that, you will have to work on writing or your speaking skills. Because speaking, whatever you will learn, whatever you will listen from any video, that will work when you speak that word from your own mouth. Just after watching this video, whatever I will told you, and after that if you not follow my tips, so how will you improve? Definitely you will ignore this video, you will ignore my words, and you will not improve, right? So just like learning English language, if you want to learn English language, so whatever videos you watch, learn from that. Whatever words you listen, speak that word, so that you could speak in English language. Because you are learning English language for speaking, for sharing your thoughts. And without speaking, how can you share your thoughts? How can you put your point in front of people? It's matter a lot. Okay, so start speaking, focus on listening first, and then start speaking whatever you will learn from that video. सो आई होप दैट यू गॉट समथिंग फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो। एंड मुझे लगता है कि मैं अपनी जो जर्नी है वो शेयर की हूँ, जो इम्पोर्टेंट जो क्लिप्स थी। और अगर आप डिटेल में जानना चाहते हो तो मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। और आई होप दैट यू गॉट समथिंग फ्रॉम माई जर्नी एंड यू गॉट समथिंग टू लर्न फ्रॉम माई जर्नी। So guys, if you want more video on my journey on learning English language, so do comment. I will read, I will make video on that particular topics, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.